Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and a warm good morning to all of you. Today our topic is bisection of an angle. Student first construct an angle by using the protractor or by using a pair of compass. Bisection of an angle means to divide or cut into two equal sections or equal parts. That line was used to cut the angle in half. It's called the angle bisector. Anything can be bisected: a line, an angle, a circle, or a square. Now students, I will show you a short video explaining how to bisect an angle.
So the purpose of this video is to show how to bisect an angle using a compass and a straight edge. So let's see. So we have a given angle A, and what we're going to do is place our compass point on point A, open up our compass arm large enough so that it will be able to intersect both sides of angle A, make an arc. And then what you're going to do is then label the two intersection points, B and C. Then take your compass, place the point on point B, and open up the arm of the compass over halfway between the two sides of your angle. Make an arc. And then using that same radius, put compass point on C and go ahead and make another arc, which is congruent to the arc you had just made. The intersection of those two arcs will be a point on the angle bisector. So let's label that point D. Then taking your straight edge, place your straight edge such that you make a line that goes through points A and D. And there you have it. You have Radii is the angle bisector of angle CAB.
Now student, we will start exercise 10C. Question number 1. Bisect the following angles. Number A 50 degree and B is equal to 70 degree. Only two parts are included in the syllabus. Okay. Now students, draw a line 5 centimeter or 6 centimeter with the help of scale. Now draw 50 degree angle with the help of protractor. 50 degree. O, this is O, this is called vertex, and this is point A, this is point B. Now open your compass and draw an arc from point O. From point O by using a pair of compass. By using a pair of compass, and this point is called C, and this point is called D. Now open your compass of any length. For example, you can increase your compass size and draw an arc from point C, and draw an arc. Now from point D, draw another arc. Okay, this point. Now this arc will cut at a point M. This is point M. Point M. Now draw a straight line. This whole angle is 50 degree, and this is 25 degree and 25 degree. Now students, write steps of construction. First step, construct an angle AOB of 50 degree. AO and B of 50 degree. AOB of 50 degree. Draw an arc from a point O. This arc. Okay. This arc will cut OA at a point COA. This is called OA. At a point C. And OB at a point D. Draw two arcs of same radii from a point C. Now draw two arcs of same radii from point C and D. From point C and D as centers. These arcs intersect each other at a point M. Okay. Now we put our compass. Here and draw this arc. Now we put our compass here at a point C, at a point D, and intersect each other at a point M. Okay. Now join the point O to the point M with the help of scale. Okay. Thus OM. This is OM will cut the angle AOB into the two equal parts. By inspection, you can see that the whole angle, first angle OAB is 50 degree, but the angle AOM is equal to 25 degree, and MOB is equal to 25 degree. Thus OM will cut the angle AOB into two equal parts. Now students, part B, 70 degree. Construct an angle of 70 degree. Now student, draw a 70 degree angle with the help of protractor. So this is 70 degree, and draw a line. Angle, yes, this is 70 degree, and same O, A and B. Now With the help of compass, draw an arc from point O. This arc will cut OA at a point C and D. OA at a point C and OB at a point D. Draw two arcs of same radii. Let's mean open your compass, this one, and draw first arc from a point C. This one. Now again consider point D as a center and draw another arc which cut each other at a point M. Join the point O and M with the help of scale or with the help of ruler. Join the point O and M by using a ruler. Thus, angle AOM is equal to 35 degree. MOB is equal to 35 degree. And angle AOB is equal to 70 degree. Now student, you can also check the angle. This is 70 degree and this is 35 degree. Okay, thus we can say that the OM will cut the angle AOB into two equal parts. It means measurement of angle AOM equal to measurement of BOM is equal to 35 degree. Now students, write steps of construction. Number 1. Construct an angle of AOB of 70 degree. Draw an arc from a point O. This arc will cut OA at a point C and array OB at a point D. Draw two arcs of same radii from the point C and D as a center. These arcs intersect each other at a point M. Join the point join the point O to the point M. Thus, OM will cut the angle AOB into the two equal parts.